What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey man, I'm shooting this video because it's another Monday, another beautiful day. If you have not started making money online, well, this is another day that you can definitely get started. You can definitely get something where it can change you and your family's life. All it takes is getting into the right thing, getting the right education, and it can take off from there. I'm real big on people joining programs that are really not educated, because I had to learn the hard way. I was joining a lot of programs back in the day, and I ain't gonna lie, when I first started off, my first thing that I got involved in was MCA. And it was MCA, I came in, it was straight guerrilla grit marketing, talking to everybody, telling everybody about it. MCA was new at the time, so it was easy to make some sales in the company. But then as MCA got flooded, it became harder and harder and harder to make sales. You had to stand out. I didn't know what people were doing, and at the end of the day, it was all marketing systems and traffic and solo ads. Everything was lead generation into one thing, which would be a sales funnel. From all of my mentors that I've actually followed in the network marketing space or the making money online space, they've all used marketing systems, and they've all focused on generating traffic, whether it's been whether it's been buying leads from traffic vendors, or whether they've been buying clicks from traffic vendors, whether they like doing solo ads, or if they know how to do Facebook ads. Those are some of the things that people they pay good money to actually check out, to actually learn. And with these type of programs that I'm involved in, I'm into the programs that actually show you how to make money online and also show you how to do it. So not only will they give you reseller rights and say, hey, you can also make money with this program, it also gives you an opportunity to learn a lot of marketing online, where there's information, where these are gurus, people that have mastered particular lead generation strategies, and they've all bundled into a training which allows you to help educate others. And when people see the potential income that you can make, that's when they'll get involved in as well, or they see that you're making money, they're going to get involved as well, and that's when they're going to want to go ahead and jump in and get a piece of the action. But it's all like, man, this here is ways like, and with the company that I'm talking about is Easy One Up. Man, Easy One Up, in each particular product that they offer is a plethora of training that you're going to get as far as making money online. And each product that you're involved in, you get reseller rights to it, which allows you to go out and make money whenever you resell, whenever you tell someone about the business or the program itself. I'm behind some slow people, man. So you get the reseller rights. And what happens is that what I like to utilize is, because the thing is, Easy One Up is also a one-time program, and they have product levels of $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000. So those are one-time payments. You don't have to do monthly repayments or anything like that when it comes to this particular program. Now, the only thing that I'll tell you is that you will need, as I mentioned, is a marketing system, because you need something that works for you 24/7, 365, that pretty much does all the work for you. So if someone asks for information regarding your business, or if you're shooting videos like this, you can just leave a link at the bottom, and when someone checks it out, it's going to do everything for you as far as all of the selling and telling for you, and even following up. You see, I'm able to do a lot of this on autopilot. Once you enter into my world can kind of just show you what it does on its own. So definitely, guys, that's one thing that I like to do. And this marketing system earns you a $25 residual income. So one program is a one-time payment, and the other one you earn a residual income of $25. So each person that you bring in, and it's an evergreen marketing system, so you can make business programs around, you can make a marketing system around any program. It doesn't matter what program you're in, so you can make one. I've actually just created one for Easy One Up, so that way when you join me, now you have the marketing system. I'm also offering a free text message marketing system as well that I'm just gonna give that to you. I'm also gonna give you Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and YouTube ad training. Take that call, it's the old lady, but pretty much here I'm showing you how to maximize your income. Okay, so there's going to be a link that's going to be at the bottom. It's going to pretty much have everything automatically set up. You're going to get all of that free training that I'm going to give you, so definitely check it out, man. You have nothing to lose. Set you up a free account, pick your product level, Also, check out the marketing system that you're going to be able to check out for 7 days straight for free. Then I'm going to give you a free marketing system on the side so you can stand out. You're going to use both. All right? So I'm going to wrap this on up, man. I just want you guys to succeed. It's a beautiful Monday for you to get involved. Click that link at the bottom. Hit the subscribe button. Check me out. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.